Hi, and welcome to this month's EMK coin of the month. Now, this one we have a big coin for you. Always have big coins, but this one, it's actually one of the Big Five series. Now, this is number 4 in the series. You may have seen a couple of them out there already. This is number 4, the leopard. And I just wanted to show you the full packaging here that comes from the South African Mint. Very professional indeed. Would be cool to have a special scanner and see what those details bring up, but let's be very careful and open this up. Always tricky with the gloves, and slide out this beautiful product here. Excellent. Now here we go. Big Five indeed. As I said before, this is number 4 in the Big Five series. This is the 2020 leopard. Now, the coin wallet that you get, oh, that's nice. Bit of extra protection there. Come out here. Come out here and see us. There we go. Nice little packaging there to protect your coins. There we go. Now, I was actually wondering to myself what was going to be the next one, and I think, there we go. And it also tells you when he's coming. God, very organised here. South African Mint, my goodness. Now, the packaging itself is quite robust. Very nice to handle. And you've got all your information there about the 5 rand, 1 troy ounce fine silver. And of course, let's get to the coin itself. This is what we want to see here, peeps. Now, I'm very happy with the leopard. Oops, excuse me. I have to say it's quite a attractive coin to look at. Love the whiskers around the eyes there. Really cool. In fact, the whiskers even coming out of the, what are we going to call those, cheeks, or around the mouth area. They're very nice indeed. So there, on this side of the coin, we've got South Africa, Big Five 2020, and that very handsome leopard. Now, my favourite thing about this series, I don't think I'm the only one here, happens to be the obverse of the coin. I love how, and I think the Lion series actually did this really, really well and started it off in an excellent way. Having 2 separate, well, in this case, leopards together. And then actually, if you line the coins up, you can see that sort of line of leopard, 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 leopard. And I believe it's already on the EMK's YouTube, is the double lion set. And I assume they're going to do a double set for everyone. It's too cool not to share. But look at the detail in this. I mean, that's just phenomenal. Those whiskers going off there. Excellent. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Now, should we open it? Should we open the capsule? Ooh, let's try, shall we? Are we going to be able to get into this? Now, normally the South African Mint capsules are a little bit difficult. Oh, there we go. Gentle. Gentle, everybody. Oh, there we are. Now that just shows even more so. I mean, I was even impressed with it inside of the capsule, but look at this. Gorgeous detail. Gorgeous detail. Now, I'm wondering if anyone knows, I might have to send an email to the South African Mint. How did they decide on the top 5? Would be an interesting point to know. Now, although the reverse of the coin is lovely, it's this obverse for me every time. Hashtag it's the obverse for me. Excellent. I'll have to say it looks even better out of the capsule, as most coins do, but this one's just phenomenal. Really, really nice piece there. So this is number 4 in the Big Five series. And you've got these in all sorts. This happens to be the 1 ounce silver, of course. But you get it in gold. You've got it in platinum. Just excellent. The next one up is that buffalo. Fantastic. Just loving it. Now, did I mention the mintage here? I believe the mintage is 15,000 pieces on this particular one. This is the uncirculated one. So quite an attractive mintage. Very nice. Well, we'll leave you with that. The stats, the mintage. Of course, I already mentioned it was 2020. South African mint, of course. Love the quality of the mint. And this is the fineness. Fineness here is 999. FYI. And this is the Big Five Leopard silver coin. Awesome. Well, let me know what you think of this coin in the comment section. And I hope you enjoyed EMK's Coin of the Month. We'll see you next time. Bye.